Hi guys! Here is how you can move taskbar on Windows 11. So to move the taskbar, we need to install some application. Open your browser and search for Explorer Patcher. This is the GitHub page. Open it. Here are all the details about the application. However, you need to download the right version. You need to download EP Setup if you have Intel or AMD processor. For Snapdragon processor, please download this EP Setup ARM version. I am using an Intel laptop, so I will download this. Simply click on Releases. Scroll down. And here is the setup file. Since this PC is Intel, let me download this. The file has been downloaded. Show in folder. Here is the setup file. Let me close Chrome. Now simply double-click on this. Your screen may go black for a few seconds. Also, it will take some time to load. Now click on Taskbar, and in the taskbar style, choose Windows 10 Explorer Patcher. You can also change other options if you want. Here are other customization options too. Anyway, I will only change the taskbar for now, and click on Restart File Explorer. Don't panic if your screen goes blank. So this is done. Let me close this. Now right-click on the taskbar. Untick this Lock the taskbar. And now you can simply click and move the taskbar. Same like in Windows 10. And if you want to restore it to default settings, go to the Start menu and type Explorer. You can find the application here. Open it. And on taskbar, you can change it to Windows 11 default and restart the File Explorer. To uninstall, simply go to Settings and Uninstall, and uninstall Explorer Patcher, then everything will go to default. By the way, we are using Windows 11 Home Edition, version 2.4H2, with this OS build. Thank you very much.